In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your email subscriber list to Brevo. Now, whether you're just starting out with Brevo or looking to migrate your valuable subscriber data into this platform, I'll walk you through each step in detail. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open a spreadsheet program such as Excel or Google Sheets. Create a new file, and this is where you'll be entering your contact information. You'll want to include not just email addresses but also any other relevant attributes that help you organize or segment your list later on. Once you've got all your contacts entered, the next step is crucial. Make sure that your data is correctly formatted. It's important that the file is saved as a CSV or a similar file type, as Brevo supports these formats for seamless uploads. Once you've double checked everything, save this file to a location on your computer that you can easily find later. Now it's time to move over to Brevo, log into your account and navigate to the contacts section. You'll then want to look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find an option that says Import Contacts. Click on it and follow the prompt to select contacts, then click Continue. Here you'll have a few options for importing your data. You can choose to import from a file which supports CSV, XLSX or TXT file types, or opt for the alternative methods like copy-paste or importing directly from another tool that you're already using. For this demonstration, we'll stick to import from a file. It's the most straightforward choice for those starting fresh. With that option selected, you can either click to upload your file or simply drag and drop it into the designated area. After it's uploaded, you'll be asked to confirm your file. Go ahead and click that option. Next, you'll need to map your data to the corresponding contact attributes in Brevo. This essentially means matching the columns in your spreadsheet to the right fields in Brevo. With that mapping confirmed, proceed by clicking on Confirm Mapping. Now you'll be guided to select the specific list or lists where you intend to add these imported contacts. Once you've made your selection, click on Confirm Your List. The final step involves checking the box for the opt-in agreement, ensuring compliance with any regulatory requirements that might apply. Once you've reviewed and checked everything, click on Confirm Your Import. And there you have it. Your email subscriber list is now successfully imported into Brevo, ready for your next campaign or newsletter. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.